Hello everybody. Uh, in this video I am planning to go through a little bit about Windows and Workspaces. Um, the basic features maybe are known to most of you. I don't know if that is true or not, but like there is this kind of basic tutorials about Windows and Workspaces, and I recommend to watch them to get quickly started. But in this video I am trying to go a little bit more deeper and tell you about some of the features that are not necessarily so well known. So first of all, let me introduce you to the basic concepts of Windows and Workspaces. So Windows are the viewports of text that is displayed, like as you see here, we see one window, and window menu is this right top menu, which can be also seen in long tapping the bottom window button, bar button. So one window is like this. If you want to make a new window, you create a new window like this. Then from this center bar you can resize window so that the other window is uh, right size proportion to the upper window. So this is the basic thing. Then let's talk about Workspace a little bit. Workspace is essentially everything that you see in this area. Like all of this is Workspace. And Workspace is like Workspace menu. I'm talking about Workspace menu, this 3-button menu. There are like Workspace related settings. Like there is this, first of all, Workspaces list can be accessed from here. And then these here are like Workspace settings. Let me start by saying this is the place where you can find all of the Workspace related text options. And what we see here on top of them, like here, is just most recently used settings of these. So if you want to change font size, color, etc., you can change for all Workspace them from here. And there are a couple of options. I'm not going through them all one by one, but like I can take one example. Like let's say it's, for example, font size. I will change it from here, and as you see, it is changed in all windows. And now that like this font size is quite recently used feature or kind of option, it is also shown in this menu as a quick setting, and I can adjust it like this. Then let's look at window menu, because in window menu we have something similar. Like we have these text options here. There are also other options. Maybe we will go through them a little bit later. But if we look at text options, we see here also all text options and 10 most recently used settings. So from all text options, what is the difference now when we are talking about this window menu rather than this workspace menu. Window menu obviously changes settings for only this window. So if we are going here and changing a font size, we are adjusting it only for this first window. And now this setting for this first window is not anymore controlled by workspace setting. So if we are now going to font size, now I'm changing workspace font size and I'm changing it here, it doesn't apply to this first window. Why is that? Because we have been adjusting it manually, it is locked to its own setting. But you see here font size, as you see here in this window menu, font size is shown a little bit differently. All these other options here are having this kind of little green icon, which means that it is controlled by workspace setting. But now this font size doesn't have that. It is controlled by window setting instead. So if I now change this, it is changing the text size of this window, but I can also reset this setting. There is reset button, and if I click reset, it is reset to the setting that is workspace related. So now when I look at this text option, we see that the icon is also appearing on top of this setting. And same kind of icon you see also here. If the setting is following workspace setting, there is this green icon. But if the setting is changed for this window specifically, then the icon disappears, like you see here. From window menu, let me adjust a little bit of this setting. Let me make this customized font size, for example, and maybe also let's adjust another setting like margin size also. Let me make left and right margin so you see the difference. So when I have adjusted the setting as I like, let me also create one more window so that we can demonstrate this a little bit better. So when I have settings that I like, I can copy them from window to window. And from this menu you see text options and then copy settings too. And then I can choose one of these windows or workspace, meaning I can copy settings from this window to another window. Let me copy it now first to this third window, which is having still different settings. So it is giving me option that allows me to choose whatever settings I want to copy, and I want to copy only font size. And you see font size is copied, but margin size is still intact. Let's see what other things we can do with these windows. Let me adjust a little bit these settings, or let me adjust, for example, what we are showing here. For example, comments here and another commentary here. or this is a generic book actually. But if we want to reorder windows, that is possible also from this menu. There is this move to option. Let's move this to the last position. Now I have moved this first window to be the last window. What else? There is still minimize, maximize. Minimize is moving it so that it's like, as you see, it is the same thing as if we are tapping this last like a bottom window button. So minimize does that. Maximize is showing this window alone. So if you want to like concentrate in one window, you can easily and quickly switch this by maximizing the window. Then you can restore the window layout by pressing this bottom right button, which is restoring to the original layout. This is almost of the thing that I want to show you about Windows. Let's go to Workspaces now. Like Workspaces is this kind of set of windows for a specific situation that you want to have them. And let me for this purpose create a new workspace. I am using this copy as new to create another demo workspace. So now I have two workspaces that are independent from each other. So if I am now doing whatever adjustments here to this workspace, nothing is happening in the other workspace. So if we go to the other workspace, this demo, standard demo, it is still as it was before. So workspace is like also the quick access to workspace is from here you tap and then pull. So this is how you can access this workspaces listing easily. So like this I do. So here you can switch between different workspaces, and also here you have now this kind of 3-button menu, and from here you can access settings of this workspace like this. You see the settings. You want to adjust some of these settings, you can do it from here also. And then you can also copy some of these settings, so like workspace settings from one workspace to other workspaces. So let me show how it works. So let's say I want to copy font size and font family, or even all of these settings, select all. I want to copy them to some other workspace or many workspaces. I can just choose from here all of the workspaces that I want to copy these settings to. And after this, those settings will be copied from this one workspace to all of those others. And that is quite convenient if you are kind of making some adjustment in one workspace and you like them, so you can copy them easily to all others, or some of the others. This workspace view, like you can also, like now we added this copy of demo, you can also remove from here workspaces, and you can also reorder them by like tracking from this 3 bars. So you can adjust them as you wish. So I think this is mostly everything that I wanted to share with you about workspaces and Windows and their related settings. Hope this was useful, and as always, I will put link below in the description where you can support AndBible development financially. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.